And welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to create the folder for the local for each, as well as creating the file where we are going to have the setHttpToken. And that's going to be very simple. So we're going to start out by importing load dash from SMT from load dash, and then we can, after that, just go in and create the function called setHttpToken. And only thing we want to do in there is we want to check if it's empty and then set the header to null, otherwise we will set it to the token. As well as adding the token up there so we can actually retrieve the token. So in this case where it's empty, we set it to null. And in this case we set beware, remember the spacing here, very important, and then the plus sign, and then we set the token in there. And that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.